Your home is your sanctuary, a place where you and your loved ones should always feel safe and protected from the outside world. But have you ever stopped to wonder if it's truly as secure as you believe? Sometimes the comfort of familiarity can make us overlook hidden dangers. Locking your front door is a good start, but it's far from the whole story when it comes to real security. The truth is, most homes have weak spots, vulnerabilities that experienced intruders know exactly how to find and exploit. Standard locks and doors can often give us a false sense of security, making us think we're protected when we're actually not. Intruders are always searching for the path of least resistance. Unlocked windows, flimsy sliding doors, or even a forgotten back entrance can be all it takes for them to get inside. To truly protect your home, you need to see it through the eyes of a professional, or even a potential criminal, spotting the weaknesses you might never notice. Security isn't just about expensive alarms or high-tech gadgets. It's about making smart, practical changes that anyone can do, often with just a few simple tools. Together, we'll walk through your home, room by room, and uncover vulnerabilities you've probably never even thought about before. I'll show you how to reinforce these weak points using common-sense solutions and basic materials you may already have at home. You have the power to make your home a true fortress, starting right now, no matter your budget or experience. Don't wait for a break-in or a scare to take action. Being proactive today can save you from regret tomorrow. We're going to build up layers of security, one step at a time, so that every entry point is protected and every vulnerability is addressed. By the end of this guide, you won't just feel safer, you'll actually be safer, with real improvements you can see and trust. Let's get started. First, let's take a closer look at the most common entry points where trouble can begin. Your doors, windows, and even your garage. Ready to take control of your home security? Let's roll up our sleeves and make it right together. Windows let in light, but they're also a major security risk. Most window latches are flimsy, designed for weather, not intruders. A simple pry bar can pop them open in seconds. Sliding glass doors are even worse. Their locks are weak, and they can be lifted off their tracks. To a burglar, a sliding door is just a giant, fragile window. Manufacturers focus on cost, not security, so these are often the first points of failure. But you don't need to replace every window or door. Just outsmart the intruder. Add simple, low-cost reinforcements to make these weak points strong. If you make it difficult and noisy to break in, most criminals will move on. I'll show you exactly how to do that. Let's start with your sliding glass door. The simplest way to secure your sliding glass door? A dowel rod. Cut a wooden dowel or metal bar to fit snugly in the bottom track. With the dowel in place, the door can't be slid open from outside, even if the lock is broken. For extra security, install anti-lift screws in the top frame so the door can't be lifted out. Add a transparent security film to the glass. It holds shattered pieces together, making break-ins loud and difficult. This 1-2-3 punch, dowel, anti-lift screws, and security film turns a major weakness into a serious obstacle. It's cheap, easy, and effective. Every night, drop the dowel in place. Don't let your sliding door be the easy way in. Next, let's talk about windows. Here's how to make them just as tough. Windows need more than just latches. Install simple battery-powered window alarms. When the window opens, a loud alarm sounds. They're cheap, easy to install, and scare off most intruders. Add secondary locks, like pin locks or adjustable screw-on clamps, to physically stop the window from opening. These let you ventilate safely too. The goal: create multiple points of failure for a burglar. If they defeat the latch, they hit a lock. If they force it, they trigger an alarm. Each layer adds time, effort, and noise, exactly what criminals hate. Put alarms and locks on every ground floor window and any accessible upstairs windows. For a few dollars, you've made your home a hard target. That's how you make it right. Now let's check your back door. It's often the weakest link. The back door is a favorite target for intruders. Out of sight, often neglected. Is your back door solid core wood, steel, or fiberglass? If it's hollow core, replace it, no exceptions. Glass panels near the lock? An intruder can break the glass and reach in. Every exterior door needs a quality deadbolt with at least a 1-inch throw. The door frame matters too. A strong door is useless if the frame is weak. Reinforce the frame and check for rot. Don't forget the door from your garage into your house. Treat it like a main entrance. Solid core, deadbolt, no shortcuts. Criminals love forgotten entryways. Don't give them the chance. Reinforce these doors and close the loopholes. Next, let's talk about the small details that make a big difference. It's time to make it right. When it comes to home security, a few small upgrades can make a world of difference. Two of the most effective improvements you can make to your doors are upgrading the hinge pins and the strike plates. These simple changes can make your doors nearly kick-proof, providing a strong first line of defense against forced entry. If your door opens outward, exposed hinge pins can be a major vulnerability. An intruder could simply remove them to take the door off its frame. To prevent this, replace standard hinges with security hinges, or add a stud to the hinge so it can't be removed from the outside. This small step can make a big difference in keeping your home secure. The strike plate is often the weakest point on most doors. Many homes come with a thin, flimsy strike plate that's only held in by short screws. Upgrade to a heavy-duty strike plate and use 3-inch screws to anchor it deep into the wall stud. This reinforcement makes it much harder for anyone to force the door open, even with a powerful kick. With these upgrades, your door becomes a true barrier. This simple fix makes it much harder to kick in your door, giving you valuable time in an emergency. The best part? For less than $10 and just 10 minutes of your time, you can dramatically strengthen your entryways. All you need are a few basic tools and a little know-how. Don't overlook these details. They're critical for real security. Taking a few minutes to check and upgrade your door hardware can make all the difference when it matters most. Every upgrade you make adds another layer of protection, making your home less appealing to would-be intruders. Layered security is the key to peace of mind. But what if, despite your best efforts, someone actually gets inside? Preparation is key. Having a plan and knowing what to do can keep you and your loved ones safe. Here's how to use what you've got. Look around your home for objects that could help you defend yourself or slow down an intruder. Even everyday items can be useful in an emergency. Let's make your safe room truly safe. With a few simple steps, you can turn any room into a secure space where your family can wait for help to arrive. If an intruder gets in while you're home, your goal is to create a barrier and buy time. Barricade yourself in a room with a solid inward opening door. Bedrooms work best. Use heavy furniture, dressers, desks, wedged under the doorknob for maximum resistance. No heavy furniture? Prop a mattress against the door, or wedge a chair under the knob. Use belts or cords to tie the knob to something sturdy. A rubber doorstop kicked under the door adds surprising strength. Keep a go bag in your safe room. Phone, charger, flashlight, and a doorstop. Mentally rehearse your plan now so you can act fast under stress. Every second counts. Preparation turns panic into action. Don't wait until it's too late. Next, let's talk about a proactive mindset. To secure your home, think like a thief. Walk your property. Look for overgrown shrubs, ladders, or tools left out that could help an intruder. Trim bushes for clear sight lines to windows and doors. Install motion-activated lights around entrances and dark corners. Don't leave valuables visible through windows, close blinds at night. Lock up tools and ladders. Don't make it easy for criminals. Get to know your neighbors. Watch out for each other's homes. A strong community is a powerful deterrent. Security is about more than locks. It's about awareness and action. Be proactive, not reactive. Make your home and neighborhood visibly secure. Now let's wrap it up. We've covered hidden weaknesses, simple fixes, and emergency plans. You now know where your home might be vulnerable, and you've learned practical steps to strengthen your defenses. These aren't just tips. They're the foundation for real peace of mind. Now it's your turn to act. The knowledge is in your hands, and it's time to put it to use. Don't get overwhelmed. Start with a simple walkthrough tonight. Take a slow, careful look at every entry point and notice the details you might usually miss. Check every window and door. Make a list of weak spots. Write down anything that needs attention, no matter how small it seems. Tomorrow, pick up a dowel rod and some 3-inch screws. Start small. These simple tools can make a big difference in your home's security. Every upgrade is a step toward real security. Each improvement, no matter how minor, adds up to a safer home. Take pride in protecting your home and family. Your efforts show your loved ones that their safety matters. You don't need to wait for someone else. You have the knowledge and the power. You're in control of your home's safety. Every improvement says you care, and you're not an easy target. Criminals look for easy opportunities. Show them your home isn't one. Don't put this off. Don't wait for a break-in to take action. Prevention is always better than regret. The time to act is now. Every moment you wait is a moment of risk. Check your doors, measure for that dowel, and make a plan. Write down your next steps and commit to following through. You work hard for your home. Protect it properly. Your home is your sanctuary. It deserves your attention and care. You have the power to make it right. Every action you take brings you closer to true peace of mind. Now go get it done. Your home, your family, and your future are worth every effort you make.